Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about the case that I use for my Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. This is the official Samsung Galaxy rugged case. Now they make this for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and the Samsung Galaxy Note 20, and I'll let you know it does come in two colors. You have this color that happens to be my favorite, the silver color, and also if you want you can get the black color as well. So there's two color options. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate using the silver color because that is what I'm using for my phone right now. Now right off the bat I'm going to tell you that this case does have precision cutouts for every port on your device. For the S Pen, for the USB Type-C, for all the microphones, for all the speakers, and of course like I've said they're cut precisely and the case fits the phone perfectly. Now as you can see, the camera also has a nice precision cutout. One benefit of this case is because there's a huge camera bump on the Note 20 Ultra. When you have the phone sitting flat on the table, it eliminates that wobble that you get when you have a thinner case on your phone. Also, I'll let you know, very easy to hold. Now the reason this case is highly grippable is because they do have a lovely grippy texture on the side right over here. So when you hold this, it's impossible for this case to drop off your hands. And of course, if you look at the case from the front, it completely exposes the frontal screen. It doesn't hide any portion of the screen. And I do want to let you know that the case is completely compatible with wireless charging, so that's not a problem. It will charge at maximum speed. Now, one of my favorite part of this case is the actual kickstands. You are getting two kickstands and they're very high quality. So that's number one, okay? And that's number two. The reason they have two kickstands is to give you guys two viewing angles in landscape orientation when you're watching a movie. So this one right over here, the bigger stand, is gonna give me a 45-degree angle to watch movies or whatever I'm looking at. And the other kickstand, when I bring that up, is also gonna give you 45-degree angle. So it's all gonna be based on what you're watching, in what position you're watching, but I do like the idea of having two kickstands. Now kickstands, for me, on any case, is a must-have because when I wake up in the morning, I like to watch news as I'm having breakfast. So with the kickstand, that makes it very easy to get that perfect viewing angle. So that's it. And of course it does, in my opinion, has a gorgeous design. I love this design. I've been using the same case on every other Samsung Note device that I was using before this, but this case is one of the best looking so far. One more thing I'll let you know, this case does come with military grade drop protection. Okay, so if it drops on the table, first of all, it does have raised lips, as you can see. Okay, so the impact, this impact right here, doesn't hit the phone's screen directly. These are raised lips on the edges do absorb the damage. And of course, every other angle of this phone is reinforced. So if you do drop it from the sides, from the back, it is going to actually absorb that damage. The best part is, it is not as bulky as some of the other cases out there. Okay, it doesn't make the phone too big, makes it very easy to hold, high grips, like I said. And again, just to summarize, I love the fact that it's got the kickstands. I love the design. You get two color choices, precision cutouts everywhere. So I think it's a fantastic choice. If you're looking to buy this, of course, I'm going to drop the links down below and you can see them. Okay, the buttons on the sides are protected and they're easily pressable. So if I were to go over here and just try to turn the phone off, so easy, as you can see. Okay, so no problem with the buttons. Volume up, volume down, works like a champion. Very easy to hold. All right, so I'll drop the links down below. Go check it out. Like I said, there's two colors. You're able to choose which color you want if you so desire. Any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. And for now, guys, have a fantastic day. All right, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH online to get the latest updates as well. All right, have a fantastic day.